In this video, I'm going to construct a rectangle that is 10 by 15 and have fillet corners of a radius of 3. To begin, I'm going to go to my rectangle command, and the first thing I want to do is, instead of specifying my first corner point, I'm going to come down and click on the fillet option. The next prompt should ask what's the radius of my fillet, and is 3.0. I'll press enter. At this time, I can now identify my first corner point of the rectangle. So I'm going to click here in the black space. Then next, I'm going to type D for dimensions and enter 10 for the length, 15 for the width, and it produces my shape. I take my mouse and I'm going to just click here in the upper right corner, and that completes the actual shape. Now this time I'm going to calculate the total area of my rectangle. So I'll select it, right click, and I'm going to properties. Here, my area is considered to be 142.2743. This concludes this video.